In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a running Power Automate cloud flow. Power Automate is a powerful tool that allows you to automate repetitive tasks by creating flows. Sometimes, however, you might find yourself needing to stop a flow that's currently running, perhaps because it's not behaving the way you expected, or you made a change you need to implement immediately. Whatever your reason, I'll guide you through the process to ensure your flow stops efficiently and without hassle. First, let's navigate to Power Automate. Once you're in, you'll want to locate the section labeled My Flows. This is your central hub where all the flows you've created are stored and managed. You should easily spot the specific flow you're concerned about right here. Next to the flow's name, you'll see a small icon with 3 dots, often referred to as the ellipsis. Clicking on this ellipsis will reveal a drop-down menu granting you a number of choices. Here, you'll want to opt for Run History, or in some cases, it might simply be labeled All Runs. This selection will take you to a detailed overview of all the instances where your flow has been triggered, whether completed, failed, or still ongoing. As you browse through the list presented, pay particular attention to the flows that have a status of running or waiting. These are indicators that the flow is currently in progress and potentially requiring your immediate intervention. It's crucial to identify the correct flow to ensure you're not stopping a flow that's proceeding according to plan. Once you've pinpointed the correct run that you wish to cancel, again, hover over it with your mouse and click on the ellipsis that appears beside it. This will open up another set of options. Among these available actions, you'll find the option labeled Cancel Run, or simply Cancel. Select this choice confidently when you're sure about canceling the particular flow. After you've done this, you might notice that the status of this run will shift. Initially, it will display the term Canceling, indicating that the system is processing your request to stop the flow. It might take a moment, and during this time, it's all right to wait patiently. Following this interim period, the status will eventually update to Cancelled, confirming that the flow is no longer running and has been successfully halted. And there you have it, a straightforward and effective way to cancel a running Power Automate cloud flow. Knowing how to manage your flows efficiently ensures that you maintain control over your automation tasks, preventing unnecessary errors and the potential for workflow disruptions. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this has empowered you to take confident actions with your Power Automate setups.